So you are way too good for him. In short, তুমি তাতকৈ বহুত বেছি ভাল আৰু তাতকৈ বহুত বেছি ভাল ডিজাৰ্ভিং লৰা পাবা আৰু সেই কাৰণে হি নিজৰ ভ্যালুটো ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিলে that he is nowhere capable of being with you. So নিজকে ভাল পোৱা আৰু এটো ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰা যে you are far 1000 times better than Rajdeep. আৰু হেতু হি ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিলে আৰু সেই কাৰণে হি তোমাৰ পৰা পলাই গল. So যাবলে দিয়া because you deserve better than him, because you are so good that he got scared. He got scared of your personality. He got scared of what you are as a woman. Or as a woman, you should be proud of yourself. So start your life. Fall for yourself. And then people will fall for you. Ar tar pisot tumi nije choose koriba je tumar life ot kun ahibo. Hetu amar hatot ase. Ami decide koribo paro je amar jibonot kun thakibo. You are not someone that will follow somebody's rule. You will make your own rule and you will follow it. I wish you all the best.